Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's here, and today you watched Packing for My Trip, Packing for Hawaii, my trip. I don't know what I said, but did you remember that video? So, we're here in Hawaii. I decorated some things. I put a flute up there, I put a sign, and I got my blanket ready. There was already 2 TVs and all of that stuff, except those clothes. If you see that, oh, you can only see my trophy. And my doggy came, but I'm not going to show you because he's sick. So, but I am going to show you that I unpacked. So, 1 minute. Look at, she's a sick baby. She's a sick baby. She gets like itchy and stuff, so she has to roll over. Okay. Okay. Guys, come on. Say hi. 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 What's your name? What is your name, guys? Comment down below. Okay. She can sit right here. You want to help, Evie? You want to help? Margaret? You want to help, Margaret? Sorry, Margaret. You're not going to be able to help. Evie, you can help. Margaret, because you have to take a nappy, Margaret. Go to sleep, Margaret. Okay. So, we got a blanket for Margaret because she takes nappies. So Margaret, try to go to sleep. And then we're going to unpack. If you didn't watch the last one, I'll show you what we packed up. Okay. It's really late at night, so I had to wait a little bit. I let them all go to sleep, and now it's nighttime, so let's start. Well,
What's she doing, Peaches? Are you part of this video, the game, or something? Well, she looks like she is.
Oh, okay. So, Evie, go to sleep. So, okay. So we got a water bottle, and we got a neck pillow on the plane. She used it, and we got a sleep mask. She used it. Evie used all of those because she was super thirsty. We had to sneak it into my purse. No, we had to sneak it into. No, just kidding. We forgot it, and you're allowed to have it in water bottles. Okay, water bottle. Not any other thing. Okay. So we got okay. I gotta be a little more quiet though. So first we got some nail clippers. Let's unpack that. And then we got a brush, a hairbrush. Let's unpack. And then we got like things where you can like push down that part. We got that. And then we got some toothpaste. And we got a toothbrush, pink of course. And then we got some lotion. No, I meant soap. And then we got a scrubber to scrub. So that's all the bathroom stuff. We did 3 things. We did the bottle, we did the bathroom stuff, and we did the bed stuff because counting, oh, and the choker. Not joker, choker. Counting the blanket. That's what it's called. Okay, so next thing. Okay, we got her passport. Just reading it, see if they did it right. Okay, so we got this. We got this. If you can see, we got this. Okay, and then just read it for a minute. It says okay, and then we open it, and there's something inside. Okay, so we take this out, and it's the plane ticket. So, yeah, the plane ticket, and then the back is just normal like that. Slip that back in, put that way over here, and then we got some earbuds. Look how long they are. They're long. Okay, if you can't see them, they're so long. Okay, that would be like earbuds for me. That's how long they are. Okay, we got earbuds. And then the iPad, we already showed you. The Nintendo Switch, I meant. Sorry. And then, last but very not least, this. And we got the camera. Project Zorgo is always watching. I still watch that. I know, guys, it's kind of kid show, but it doesn't matter. Yes, Project Zorgo is always watching you. Somewhere, this can be extraordinary. Somewhere. So there's like buttons and the mover and then the screen. Okay. Then I'll turn these back in. Okay. Finish with that. Somewhere, this can be extraordinary. 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 Okay, guys, this is how big it is. It's bigger than my hand. Look how big it is. My hand is giant. It's like the size of my brother's hand, and he is 11 and I'm 7. Can't you believe that? I know, it's crazy. I know, it's really, really crazy. Answer my question. Good job. Comment down below what you said. I don't know what I said. But just comment down below anyway. Because I'm a nerd. Yay. Comment down below if I'm a nerd or not. That can go there, that can go there. Oh, where did this go again? Oh wait, yeah, over there. Okay. Open that there. Take my Crocs off. Just kidding. It is my little girl's Crocs. Well, she's not her Crocs. I love Crockies, so sometimes call shoes Crocs. And then, yeah. We got that, and then here we go. Okay, let's go check on them. Oh, how cute.
Next morning.
Let's go wake up the kids. Where's Big Sissy? Yeah, she's in the bedroom. Yeah, good job. Wake up. Okay. Which one do you need? Tell me. Tell me which one I said. That's the bathroom one. The big one or the little one. And if you chose the big one, you are not correct. Dun, dun, dun. If you chose the little baby one. If you said little one, you are correcto. So let's do this one, the bathroom one. Also, guys, comment down below if you're in school or not in school yet. Comment down below how old you are and if you go to school or not. Okay. Let's take the top, put it right there. You want pink or blue? Pinky pink. Pinky pink pink. What do you want? Pink. Pink. They both want pink. Pink and kink. The baby said kink and the big girl said pink. So let's look at do that and then scrub, 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 scrub. Oh, you want to brush your teeth too? Yeah? Oh. No, don't eat. Don't put that up your throat. Run for your life, people. I'm going to brush your teeth. There. I'm going to smile the whole time to see if I can do it. Okay. Want some lotion? Today we have to go to your sister's graduation. Just kidding. We have to go pick your sister up from school today. So after you go to school, I'm gonna pick up your sister, and you're gonna see your sister. Yay! And then we're gonna have her for a whole time in her life, you know. And she's not in college anymore. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yeah. Okay. So I zipped up this one. Peace and harmony, and peace and harmony, peace and harmony, and harmony. So, if you like this video, wait, no, not done. Okay, plop on your shoes, ready for school. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe down below. And the question today is, where did you go anywhere? Comment yes or no and comment the place and comment what's your favorite color. My favorite color is blue, so if this wasn't my YouTube channel, I would comment my favorite color is blue, and I went to Hawaii. So, bye! Hope you like this. Well, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every video I post. Love y'all so much. Bye.